Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I am going to show you that in our Shopify store, how we can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for simple theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to website www.shopwebsitecodes.com and you will be getting the code for other themes. Here is the current situation of our store. You can see that I have the home page and here I have one featured collection where all the products are displaying here. And if you are coming to the catalog, that means main collection page, you can also see that all the other products are showing here. I mean, all the products are showing here. So how we can also display their color variants? So let's implement the features step by step. So firstly, you should go to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see that I have installed a simple theme. Firstly, you should take the backup of this theme so that later on, if you want, you can roll it back. You should click on three dots, click on duplicate. So click on these three dots, click on edit code. So here you will be getting some files and folders where we will be making some changes. I will be adding the link below in the description. You just need to download the code. Actually, you will be getting a zip file. You need to extract that zip file and from there you will be getting all these files. So firstly, you should open document.txt and in this file you will be getting all the steps. So the first step is like create new snippet. The name of that snippet is color-variant and paste attached code. So let's create a new snippet. Click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and right here color-variant. And this will actually create a new empty file. And inside of it, we need to paste this code, which is color-variant.txt. You need to copy this complete code and then paste it inside of this empty file. Once saved, then you should close this file. And again, we need to follow the next step. The next step is like create new snippet again. The name of that snippet is color-product-grid-item. Just copy the name, create again one more snippet, click on add a new snippet and paste the name and click on done. So in that way, you will again create a new empty file and inside of it, you need to paste the code which is attached. So here we have color-product-grid-item. So you just need to copy this complete code and paste it inside of this empty file and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should close again the file and let's move ahead with the third step, which is like go to sections. Then we have featured-products.liquid. So we have to go to sections, featured-products.liquid. So inside of it, we have some code, but how we will be making some changes is according to the documentation. You can see that we have include product-grid-item. So we need to replace this complete line with this line. You should find out this specific line, product-grid-item. Just copy this keyword and Control F or maybe Command F. You will be able to highlight that and you need to select this and remove it and replace it with this one. So let's remove and paste the new code which I have attached. What is the next step? The next step is that go to sections, open collection-template.liquid. So here we go, collection-template.liquid. You need to replace this complete line with this line. So how we will be finding that exact line? You need to copy this keyword and just using Control F or maybe Command F, you need to search here. So here we have the thing and you need to replace it with this specific line. So let's remove this line first and then paste the new line. Then you need to save the changes. And now let's refresh this page and let's see the changes. So once you refreshed, then you will see all the color variants of each of the products. So you can see that how beautiful this is now because all the products along with their color variants are displaying here. All right. So this is the main collection page. If you are coming to the home page, then there also in the featured collection, you will also see all the changes in the color variants. I mean, for each product, we have different color variants and all those variants are displaying here. If you are stuck somewhere or maybe you have any problem with the coding part, so definitely you can contact me. I will help you in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.